In this video, I will show you how much I made in the last month from Amazon KDP. And if you like this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a like, since my channel is all about KDP income report. Every month, I share my earning to help you guys to start your journey on Amazon KDP. So without further ado, let's jump out to my KDP dashboard. So as you can see, this is my KDP dashboard, and this is how many orders I made in this month. So let me select the last month, and as you can see, I made a total of 122 orders. Let me see how much I made from this amount of orders. Let me select the last month, and as you can see, I made total of $144, which is a good amount for me. My total number of books, as you can see here, is 467 books. So this month is better than the last month. This is let me select lifetime to show you how much I made in the last month. So the last month I just made $102, but this month I made in April I made $102, but in the last month I made a total of $144, which is a good amount for me. I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment so don't miss any future video.